Little international competition, the first postseason FBS bowl game outside of North America between two American schools since the 1937 Bacardi Bowl.
5 days before I was born.
Here we go, last chance. What are you going to do? Cooper Rush will throw it in the air and look for a whole lot of help. Ball is caught.
Oh, no!
To the 15, it's Lateral again. Is that still alive? That's Titus Davis. Can he turn the corner? And chaos ensues. The unthinkable, with 1 second left, has happened.
Titus Davis is shaking up on the play.
Now, I believe that 7 touchdown passes. Did he get in? Did he get in? Did he get in?
Can you imagine?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hit the pylon with the ball.
We're going overtime, ladies and gentlemen.
This is insane.
Insane.
People are texting their friends all over the country.
What an
Put the
incredible
TV
play.
on. You need to see what's going on at the inaugural Popeyes Bahamas Bowl.
And it looked clean. Wow.
7 touchdown passes. That was a touchdown pass.
Titus Davis hit the pylon.
The guy right there.
How about trying to win it and go for 2?
There you go. Who said overtime?
Go for 2.
Central Michigan is going to go for 2. The touchdown is good. You want to see a fantastic finish? Hey, either way. Either way.
Yes. This is incredible. I applaud him for going for 2.
This game's had everything in it.
Look at this. 2-point conversion for the win. Back corner of the end zone. No! It's knocked away. Wonderful Terry. The coverage on Jesse Kroll. And that's how this game will end.
What a great comeback by Daniel's squad, but at the end of it, right here fighting for the football. They're letting them both fight for the football.
Yep.
Watch the Hill Choppers.
Oh, I want to tell you. Oh, how
Hill Choppers
exciting
going
that
crazy.
is. And, you know, it's only fitting that Western Kentucky won after leading the whole game. How devastating it would have been to lose that football game.